Very good afternoon. And in the previous lecture, we discussed a very beautiful memory, a beautiful child, Chamomila. Beautiful child? No. No beautiful child. Can you just give me the inputs of Chamomila child? What we learned the last?
Irritable.
Okay, irritable.
Aggravated by carrying.
Pardon?
Aggravated by carrying.
Amused by?
Carrying.
What about carrying? Don't crazy. Okay. And restless. And
Uncivil answers.
uncivil answers. What is uncivil?
Rudely बात करता.
Rudely बात करता. और
Throws things out of context.
throws things out of. और what else? So you are right. This is the Chamomila child, and no mother wants this child. There are two child in Materia Medica which mother does not want. Chamomila and tuberculinum. Tuberculinum is called as a problem child. Because tuberculinum continuously falls ill, recurrently falls ill. Okay, and Chamomila child because of the temper, स्वभावामुळे, behavior मुळे. Okay. Now we come to the adult of Chamomila today. Okay. In the homeopathic prescribing or in the what you can say homeopathic learning of Chamomila, most people they focus on the child, and when we come into practice, it seems that we forget the adult of Chamomila. Okay, so therefore today's lecture is completely dedicated to this adult of Chamomila. Okay, the first and foremost thing is a turmoil. What do you mean by turmoil? Turmoil म्हणजे काय? Turmoil in the circulation, turmoil in the brain, and turmoil in the temper. Turmoil, yes. Turmoil. Disturbance. What's disturbance? Obstruction. Turmoil is bursting, is उद्वेग म्हणतो turmoil. So turmoil in the circulation. Turmoil in the circulation means turmoil in the blood circulation. Remedy is aconite. Turmoil in the brain. सगळी गडबड इकडे उथलदरा म्हणा इकडून तिकडे. So turmoil in the brain. Remedy is belladonna. And now turmoil in the temper is charm. Okay, so this turmoil in the circulation in aconite is that. Is aconite taught me?
Yes.
So what do you think aconite, turmoil in the circulation? What do I mean by that? Little bit louder. Great fear, anxiety, fear of death, predicts the time of the death. We are talking about the turmoil. So what is the key feature of aconite? Forget fear, forget everything. Key feature of aconite. Restless and pain. And pain के साथ agony चेहऱ्यावरती दिसून येतं. भीती चेहऱ्यावरती भीती दिसून येते. वायवाच्या नंतर जो आपला चेहरा होतो, आफ्टर द वायवास, नो आधी, ओके, आधी ऐको नाही, लॉट ऑफ palpitations and lot of fear is there. क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा टाइप का. So turmoil in the circulation is here and there. Aconite patient has lot of pain, and this pain is very severe. This severe pain leads to lot of agony, and this agony is seen on the face. Okay, so aconite is a remedy for localized congestion. है उसमें localized congestion leading to fever. मी सकाळी उठून मी गाडी काढली 2 व्हीलर आणि सिंहगडला गेलो आणि परत आलो आणि मला खोकला सुरू झाला. I become a patient tentatively of aconite. Are you understanding this? Okay. So this is turmoil in the circulation. When there is turmoil in the circulation, that means you will get congestion here. देखो ये लाल हो रहा है, यहाँ सूजन है, फिर 2 दिन बाद यहाँ सूजन है, फिर 2 दिन बाद यहाँ सूजन है, फिर 2 दिन बाद यहाँ सूजन है. So इधर का सूजन कम हो जाता है, दूसरी जगह आ जाता है, उधर का सूजन कम हो जाता है, तीसरी जगह आ जाता है. So that is aconite. Now turmoil in the brain leads to belladonna. Belladonna is the turmoil leads to violence. And behavior is violent. He can bite you. Belladonna patient can bite you, can bite self, can throw things, can jump, can scream, not shout. Shout is chillana, scream is chikna, जोर से scream. So belladonna patient is. Then there is turmoil in the brain, especially in inflammation of the brain. So especially maybe in meningitis. Meningitis. Patient of belladonna goes into a violent state, and that violent state is called turmoil of the brain. And third is turmoil of the temper. What is temper? Temper is your kind of a behavior or your response to certain situation or condition. Temper. What is your temper? What is the temper of Rahul Dravid? What is the temper of Mahendra Singh Dhoni? What is the temper of Hardik Pandya? Upon the temperament, you listen to the commentary and they say, the temperament of the player is very strong, very rigid, that kind of thing. So temper. So turmoil in the temper. So what happens? This calm, quiet person is there, and all of a sudden at night his leg starts paining, and very fast this patient, who is very calm in nature, in pain, starts shouting, starts calling the doctor at the night, जल्दी घर पे आ जाओ, kind of thing, and he is in pain. Pain is neuralgic. So most of the chamomilla pains are neuralgic kind of pains. So dental neuralgia and sciatica. Both are neuralgic kind of pains. Sciatica pain is usually at night. If this pain is followed by lot of irritability, or is followed by, or rather with irritability, then you need to think of chamomile. If this pain is better by walking, then you need to think of Rustox. If this pain is better by pressure, जरा गरम शेकल्याने बरं वाटतं ना डॉक्टर साहेब. रात्रभर मी गरम शेकत होते. माझा मुलगा झोपला नाही, तो बिचारा झोपला नाही, तो शेकत होता मला रात्रभर शेकत आणि चोळत होता. वॉज बेटर बाय रबिंग अँड बेटर बाय प्रेशर. आणि त्याच्यानंतर थोड्या वेळाने मला झोप लागली. सो either you are dealing with Madfoss or you are dealing with Cold-Sores. Either dealing with Madfoss or you are dealing with Cold-Sores. If this patient tells you that the pain is with numbness, मुंग्या येतात का? हो डॉक्टर साहेब, नुसत्या मुंग्या, असं वाटतं बधीर झालंय. काय झालंय? बधीर झालंय is a key feature of with pain. First chamomilla, second Nephalium, GNAPHALIUM, Nephalium. So the patient adult who is not uncivil still, who is okay, थोडंसं कोणी काय केलं तर राग येतो फक्त, पण when he goes in pain, he behaves in such a way that he becomes highly irritable, cross, spiteful, uncivil. What is uncivil? Like you are driving vehicle and ahead there is one more person who is driving a vehicle and he does a thing which is uncivil and you are chamomilla. So what you will do? You will first horn, you will shout, "Hey!" and you will start trying to chase him and stop him and fight with him. Quarrelsome nature, highly quarrelsome. Are you understanding? Now someone could have left touching like, "Hey!" Like Naxomika will just shout, "Hey!" And 2-3 divert and kissa समाप्त. Chamomilla. Chalu. And then behind the bike, forget everything. So a person, usually highly irritable person, छोटे irritable leads to big irritation. Uncivil behavior. सामने वाला के कारण अपना behavior भी change हो जाता है, There is tachycardia, there is carcinosin. These are two remedies which cannot express. But chamomilla, because he is nervous, irritable, he will express very fast. इधर कितने लोगों को गुस्सा आता है? पिछली बार भी मैंने पूछा था, पर आप लोगों ने किसी ने हाथ ऊपर नहीं किया. सबको गुस्सा आता है ना? सब एक जैसा बिहेव करते हैं कि गुस्से में? सब अलग अलग बिहेव करते हैं. इसलिए अलग अलग प्रकार की रेमेडी बनाई गई है. किसने? एनिमल. ठीक है. chamomilla is a remedy for neuralgic kind of pains with numbness, neuralgic nerve pain with numbness and irritability, cross spiteful nature. One more thing about chamomilla is craving for or aggravation with alcohol or coffee. Okay, so alcohol or coffee leads to that kind of behavior again. Leads to that kind of behavior. Okay. Then most of the time, this chamomilla patient is having some or the other gastric disturbance. And this gastric irritability again leads to mental irritability. Gastric irritability leads to mental irritability. Okay. Patient might also come to us with a dental problem or dental neuralgia or dental pain, and that time you need to think of chamomilla as one of the remedies. Chamomilla is also one of the trios for pain. So there is aconite for pain, there is chamomilla for pain, and there is coffea. For pain. And if you look into all these three remedies are having nerve affection. All three remedies are having nerve affection, or all three are nervous. All three are nervous. Okay. So this nerve pain can be in the shoulder, can be in the neck, can be in the ribs, can be in the legs, can be in the back, can be in the tooth, and it should have most of the time numbness and irritation. There are few remedies for dental pain. First is coffea. The dental pain of coffea and chamomilla is opposite. Chamomilla has aggravation from warm drinks. Coffea has amelioration from cold drinks, holding the cold water and then throwing it out once it becomes warm. Coffea is not? You will read Coffea Islands. There is lot of confusion. Sometimes we might get confused between chamomilla and coffea. So let us clear that, because your look is that I have said something wrong. So we let us confirm that whether it is right or wrong. Okay. Coffea. Yes. Aggravation from cold. Holding the aggravation from cold, and better by?
But returns when water becomes warm.
The pain returns when
water becomes
read again the full sentence.
Relieved by holding ice water in the mouth.
Yes.
But returns when water becomes warm.
Water becomes warm. So अपन ने क्या बताया? वही बताया. वो तो तुम्हारे चेहरे ऐसे दिखे करके मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि यार गलत हो गया करके ऐसा. ठीक है. So coffea. What coffea patient does is that in dental neuralgia, usually all dental neuralgias are better by warm. इथे शेकल्याने बरं वाटतं. So there is Macfos and there is belladonna for dental neuralgia. But then there is chamomilla and coffea. The patient tells you, Doctor साहब ठंडा पानी, और जैसे वो पानी पिघल जाता है या गर्म हो जाता है थूक देता है, फिर वापस पीता हूँ, फिर वापस थोड़ी देर बाद कम होता है, वापस बढ़ता है. So coffea is. Third is staphysagria. Can we read staphysagria? Aggravated from cold drinks and after eating. So staphysagria. So there is chamomilla, there is coffea, there is a small remedy plantago also there for tooth pain. But I shall tell you one thing. In my final year, I have treated my mother from dental neuralgia. At night, 12:30 p.m., she was crying with pain and crying with pain. Not. I went, I saw her. क्या हो गया? हात लावून बसले. तर म्हटलं दात दुखते तर रात्री 12:30 वाजता काय करायचं ना, कुठल्या डेंटिस्टला उठवायचं. तर म्हटलं काय करायचं नको. आय वेंट, आय पिक्ड अप द बॉटल, आय गेव हर दॅट 4 pills and I sat there on the chair beside her, looking at her, that now the pain will reduce. And after 2-3 minutes, she slept. I also went inside and I also slept. Remedy is Pulsatilla. Remedy is weeping pain with. Same patient, Chamomilla. Are you understanding what is happening? There is a difference. There is a difference. Are you understanding this? This is very, very important. Because see, modality you will get. Because if you ask Chamomilla patient, if she is Chamomilla patient, and ask थंड पाणी गरम पाणी, ते म्हणेल जाते मी डेंटिस्टकडे. You cannot take a history that time. You need to observe. You go and take history and okay. हिस्ट्री ऐसा कोई मेरे को पूछेगा ना, मैं सीवियर पेन में और मेरे को पूछेगा थंडा पाणी गरम पाणी, घाम येतो का, कान किती लागते, हात पाय थकतात वगैरे वगैरे वगैरे, मी म्हणेल बाबा तू जा, जातो माझा कॉम्बिप्लम घेतो आणि झोपतो. सो the patient becomes very bad in dental. Chamomilla. Coffea patient, the pain leads to sleeplessness. Pain leads to sleeplessness. Coffea is one of the remedies for sleeplessness. One of the remedies for sleeplessness. कॉफी पीने के बाद क्या होता है अपने को? नींद नहीं आती. अपनी कॉफी से आती नहीं. अपने कॉफी में कोई दम नहीं. जो कॉफी उधर बाहर देशों में पीते हैं वो कॉफी स्ट्रांग रहती है. अगर वो कॉफी अगर अपन पी लेंगे तो फिर अपने को नींद नहीं आएगी. अपना कॉफी इसलिए वो दूध में पी लेके थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर करके वो इधर उधर हिला दिया, उसका झाग बन गया, वो कॉफी, वो अपना कॉफी है, उसमें कुछ नहीं रहता है. देयर इज नो कॉफी कैफीन कंटेंट इन. कैफीन crudely leads to sleeplessness. Crudely leads to sleeplessness. So coffea has sleeplessness. So aggravated by warm. Chamomilla patient is aggravated by warm, better by cold. Coffea patient better by cold. As soon as it becomes warm, pain starts. Pain starts. Both are neuralgic. Both are neuralgic. Understand this? So Chamomilla patient, when you are dealing with them, you need to give sometimes remedy frequently. Like Chamomilla 200 TDS,